Croeso. Welcome to Chill Cymru, a meditative journey through the soul of Wales that is all about embracing the hwyl, a deep state of joy that comes from being totally immersed in the moment. Each journey takes you to a different corner of this special country through sound and story wherever you are in the world. In this episode, you're at Wern-y-Cwm Farm, near Llanddewi, a rural escape in the undulating hills of southeast Wales, watched over by Ysgyryd Fawr. In the shadow of the Ysgyryd, Ysgyryd Fawr, the holy mountain, the most easterly peak in the Bannau Brycheiniog, a quiet sanctuary awaits. Wern-y-Cwm Farm, an oasis of calm in the rolling hills near Abergavenny, the market town, home to one of the world's most exciting food festivals. This is a retreat dedicated to wellness and creativity, a special place, a place to rest, recharge, rediscover, to return to yourself. Before you, wildflower meadows sway and shimmer in the sunlight. Bees drift from bloom to bloom. An orchard hums with hidden life. Gardens of vegetables and herbs breathe their gentle fragrance into the air. A greenhouse glows with life. Hammocks and oak tree swings drift lazily on the breeze. A natural swimming pool shimmers like an aquamarine jewel tucked into the heart of the farm. The water is clear, calm, inviting. A quiet place to immerse yourself, to wash away the weight you carry, to emerge renewed. Nearby, a sauna waits quietly in the gardens, a place to warm your bones and even your soul after communing in the cool, clear water. Look around you. Look up. Ysgyryd Fawr stands watch over the village, an ancient sentinel. Its slopes bear the memory of landslides, of tremors, and time itself. A realm of myth and legend. Some say the earth here is sacred, especially fertile. In times past, its soil was sought to bless fields and foundations. Pilgrimages were made to the summit. Today, it offers a different kind of pilgrimage, one that goes inwards. The day flows easily here, moment after moment of quiet joy. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the connection to the mountain, to the fertile land, to the beauty that nature paints so freely, to the rhythm of Cymru itself. You are calm. You are adref, home. To discover the real Wales and plan your visit, go to visitwales.com.